How do I force stop an app on my Android device?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss a simple but crucial operation on your Android device: how to force stop an app. This process can help if an app is not responding, or if you simply want to fully close an application.
What does force stop mean?
Before we delve into the steps, it's essential to understand what force stop means. When you force stop an app on your Android device, you're essentially shutting down the app and stopping any background processes it may be running. It can help free up your device's resources and might solve issues like freezing or crashing apps.
Accessing your device's settings.
The first step to force stopping an app is to access your device's settings. Here's how. 1. Swipe up on your home screen to access your app drawer, or tap the Apps icon, depending on your device. 2. Locate the Settings app and tap to open it. The Settings icon typically looks like a gear.
Navigating to the apps list.
Once you're in the settings, you'll need to navigate to your apps list. 1. Scroll down and tap on the Apps or Applications option. It might be named App Manager on some devices. 2. This will lead you to a list of all the applications installed on your device.
Force stopping the app.
Now that you're on the apps list, you can force stop your desired app. 1. Scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to find the app you want to stop. 2. Tap on the app's name to access its info page. 3. On this page, you'll see a button that says Force Stop. Tap Force Stop. 4. A warning will likely pop up to inform you that the app may misbehave if you force stop it. If you're sure you want to proceed, tap OK or Yes. And that's it. You've now learned how to force stop an app on your Android device. Remember to use this function sparingly, as it can interrupt processes that the app needs to function properly. However, in situations where an app is misbehaving or not responding, knowing how to force stop can be a very useful tool. We hope this guide has been helpful to you, and as always, happy Androiding!